Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to today's lesson on Introduction to Environmental Science. In this section, we are going to explore three things. That is why is early science, what is early science, why nature study is important, and how scientific concept develop in children. Okay, let's begin the class. So the first part we are going to look is on Introduction to Environmental Science. Environmental science here, if for your information, is the study of the natural world and how living things and non-living things interact with each other. This helps us to understand our surroundings and how we can take care of the environment itself. Okay, so the first part of this chapter is we are going to look into the introduction to early science. What is the definition of early science? What is your understanding about early science? So, early science here is basically referring to the children's basic exploration and also understanding of nature. Okay, so the word science also comes from the Latin word which means scientia. Okay, it's also known as knowledge. So here, science is not just only referring to experiment, but is also referring to the knowledge itself. Okay, according to Davis and Howard 2003, they describe that science as consisting of three important parts, which is conceptual knowledge, that is having understanding of scientific ideas. The second one is procedural knowledge, okay, that is knowing how to do the science itself. And the third one is attitudinal knowledge, that is having the right attitudes when doing the science itself, like having curiosity and also open-mindedness. Okay, so as early childhood educators, it is very important for you to understand the basic concepts in science. This also could help us in guiding our young children effectively. Remember, children always already have their own ideas about the basic world around them. Why and how they get these basic ideas is through doing the daily experiences that their parents have exposed them at home. Even if their ideas are not scientifically correct, they make sense to them. Example, like pouring water in a cup. Okay, so what is your role as a teacher? Okay, our role as a teacher is to support and guide their thinking, and not only to correct them, but we are here to guide them. Okay, so next part is the importance of nature study. Now let's look at what is nature study. Nature study is an approach that focuses on three elements. There is observation, exploration, and also interacting directly with the natural world. So children here learn through hands-on experiences in places like parks, gardens, and also forests. Why is it important for us to expose this topic to our young children? Okay, so you have to remember early childhood is a critical period of development. Okay, a critical period of development in terms of social, emotional, cognitive, language, and also physical growth. Okay, so researchers shows that the lacking of stimulation can limit a child's full development, which means if we don't give exposure to children, it will lead to late development in the children itself, okay, or a delay development in the children. So this is why science and nature experiences are very, very important. Okay, guys. So inshallah, we will look into the next concept and the next topic later on. Thank you.